You ever thought about what's the most important thing when you're going to a hotel? Is it the sales? Is it cleaning the room? Well, today we're gonna focus on housekeeping and what makes that so special and what we should look for when we're doing housekeeping. So I'm at my Marriott Courtyard and we're gonna do some walkthroughs. So come on through. Muhammad, he's our GM. He's gonna tell us all about what we should be looking for, what's important of everything we need to do. Muhammad, what's up, brother? All right, everybody say hi to Muhammad. Hey, so there's so many factors in a hotel. What do you think is the most important? Is it the DOS? Is it the GM? Is it housekeeping? Who's the most important?
Heart of the house, housekeeping department.
You think so?
Yes. That's a main important department, because if the room is spotless, this guest will have a comfort and will trust us in every other department. If the room is clean, their sheet is clean, the room has been, there's no dust in the room, their bathroom is clean, they will feel like they are home. That's why I would say one of the most important departments is the housekeeping.
Now, so when we go inspect a room, what are we inspecting? Like, I know, like, I'm supposed to look at the tub and look clean, but there's a system in place, right? Like, it's
yes.
So, is there a certain order? Like,
yes.
What do you do?
So, first thing, our eyes are different from the guests because we know what we look for. But from a system standpoint, you start from the corner and you go around the room to the same corner again.
So you go from one corner
from the door all the way back to the same door again.
Okay.
And that's how you inspect the room pretty much. You look for areas that the guest would look for.
What am I looking for in the bathroom?
You're looking for number one problem in every single hotel.
What's the number one problem?
Hair.
Yikes. I don't like hair.
Yes, nobody like hair.
Yeah, boy.
All right, Mohammed. Well, thanks, brother.
Absolutely.
All right, thanks, boss.
Thank you.
All right.
Yeah, boy.
This one, you like this? You like this one better? That's a new one? Is it okay?
This one is big.
Oh, this one's bigger? Do you know how many sheets you can put in this one at one time?
Yeah, I just put in all the sheets, that one, but only.
Oh, you can put everything in it.
Yeah.
But how many, like, can you put 40 sheets, 10 sheets?
Maybe more.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Now, this is what I like. What days is this like full? Yeah, this is where they come in with the chute. This is where it all comes down. Whoa. See, when this is full, normally like you come back on a weekend, this whole thing is full. Everybody's in here trying to get this. Like that's money. I like the smell of money. This thing right here was about $35,000, maybe $45,000. You want to know what $45,000 look like? This is it. Yeah. Now we don't got no new dryers yet, though, do we? Oh, this is the new dryer. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Only does touch. Let me see if this is really hot. Does it unlock here? I don't even know. Okay. It's warm in there, man. Like, I feel warm. Hey, if you ain't got no HVAC at home, you can use this dryer. All right. Oh, this is closed, and then what? Just resume? Yeah. I'm cold-blooded. I know how to use this. That one's complicated.
Yeah, this one was.
That one?
Yeah.
All right. So this is where they do all the magic here. Okay, so I'm supposed to start one side of the room and then work my way around. So you come in here, this looks clean. That's wiped down. I gotta look under here. Okay, so far so good. We just rehabbed this. Then we look in the closet. Oh, then we gotta check for hair. don't see any here. We might be good here. All right. No skid marks in the toilet. That's a good sign with no skid marks. All right. No leaky faucets. Like literally, you know how you go home and your people get mad, like, you ain't put the toilet seat down.
And you left the toilet seat up, you bastard!
Oh, we did. Let's put the toilet seat down. Right. Then we come around here. Let's see if we can get them. So here, no space, the sheets. Now they did some military. I don't know about these pillows though. The garbage is empty. I don't know. I don't think. Should I be like that? Like this? I don't know, man. I think that's a little dust. All right. You know one thing a lot of people don't check? I bet you I get them. The refrigerator. Don't you hate when you open the refrigerator? Oh, snap. There ain't nothing in there. We all right. We got a big TV now. I got a second order, but actually this TV is going to be mounted on the wall. Okay. These couches are all right, man. Wait a minute. What is this? Aha! Damn. What is that? Is that something else? A sock. Ain't this what they tell us? First of all, I don't know why a sock. They was getting it on back here and they ripped all their clothes off to get busy.
Nice.
But they got a check behind this. This is why you got a housekeeper supervisor, but somebody about to get fired. Ain't none of this supposed to be in here. Who do I go fuss at? I'm gonna go fuss at housekeeper. We gonna fire somebody. But this is how you clean and double check for your housekeepers. That simple. All right, let's go. Muhammad, you should have never taught me what to look for.
What is that? What's found in the room?
I found it behind the couch. Okay, can I get to fire somebody?
Well, we can counsel somebody.
You don't fire him because of this?
No.
Okay, all right. I mean, the room was clean, but I looked for hair. I found nothing but this jacket and a sock. So I'm envisioning they had wild sex on the couch and they didn't have time.
Was buried behind the
It was behind the couch. So, but this is good. See, now I know. Like, I didn't even know what to look for.
Okay.
But that's a sock. That's between me and you.
Well, I'm glad you found it, not the guest.
That's all right. So now you know how to clean a room, and that's it. But everything else was great. And we're out of here. I'm headed back home, man.
Awesome.
Peace
It was
out,
good
brother.
to see you.